Thank you. I can say that Turkey is one of the main production and technology development center of the Europe. There are more than, only in our sector, more than 30 R&D centers which is approved and licensed and also supported by the government. Core power of the Turkey is the well-trained engineers and young generation and big local market. Many multinational companies are already investing in Turkey, like a Bosch, Daikin, Carrier, Mitsubishi Electric, Wisman, Vaillant, LG, Solar and Power, Johnson Controls, Styron, Systemair, Gram, and etc. There are others also. And these companies are getting power for competition from Turkey. And also we are meeting new additional companies. Welcome, new investors, welcome, and let's work together. Thank you, Ali.